States with the highest return for tax lien investing, presented by TaxLienLady.com. Hi, this is Joanne Musa, the Tax Lien Lady. How would you like to know which states have the highest return for tax liens? You know, this is a question that I have gotten from a lot of my subscribers, and I have an answer for you. The 3 states that have the highest interest rates on tax lien certificates are not the states that you may have heard about, because with the exception of just one county in one of these states, they do not have online tax sales. The first state I want to tell you about is Texas. Now, Texas is actually not a tax lien state at all, but a redeemable deeds state. But the great thing about redeemable deeds is that they have a penalty, not an annualized interest rate. The penalty in Texas is 25% if the deed redeems in the first 6 months, 50% if it redeems in the first year. The great thing about a penalty is that if you purchase a deed and it redeems in 2 weeks, you still get 25% on your money. Whether it redeems in 2 weeks or 6 months, it doesn't matter. Now, the redemption period on non-homesteaded and non-agricultural properties is only 6 months in Texas, 1 year for homesteaded and agricultural properties. So if you purchase a deed on a non-homesteaded or non-agricultural property, after 6 months you get the 25% or you get the property. That is the other nice thing about investing in Texas. You don't have to go through foreclosure procedures. If the deed doesn't redeem, it's yours, as long as you've recorded the deed. Now, the other state I want to talk to you about is Illinois. Illinois has an interest rate of 18%, but it's not 18% per annum. It's 18% for 6 months, so your annual return is 36%. And that is the highest rate that you can get anywhere except for the redeemable deeds in Texas. Now, the redemption period in Illinois is 3 years, and Illinois counties have 2 types of tax sales. They have an annual tax sale and a scavenger tax sale. At the annual tax sale, the interest rate is bid down and the tax lien is awarded to the investor with the lowest bid. In other words, it's the investor that is willing to take the lowest interest rate that wins the tax lien certificate. At the scavenger sale, which consists of items that did not sell in the previous tax sales, the bidding is different. At this sale, instead of bidding down the interest rate, the certificate is sold to the highest bidder for cash, and it may be sold for less than the original delinquent tax amount. So the interest rate is not bid down, but rather the amount of the lien is bid up at this sale. Now, the third state I want to tell you about that has the highest interest rate is Iowa. Iowa has an interest rate of 24% per year, and the interest rate is not bid down. What's bid down in Iowa is the percentage ownership in the property should the lien not be redeemed. That's what's bid down at the tax sale. So it's the investor willing to take the smallest percentage in the property that wins the tax lien. Well, I hope this has been informational for you and will help you in your tax lien investing. You can get your free tax lien investing kit and find out how you can start building your own profitable tax lien portfolio at www.taxlieninvestingkit.com.